Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of complex analysis asked in GATE 2023. So our question is, the number of zeros of polynomial 2z to the power 7 minus 7 z to the power 5 plus 2z cube minus z plus 1 in the unit disk z belongs to C such that z is less than 1 is. So this is the option. So here we have to find the number of zeros of this polynomial, so we can use the Cauchy's theorem. So for that we have to assume fx and gx. So let fx is equals to 2z to the power minus 7z to the power 5 and gx is equals to 2z to the power 7 2z to the power 3 minus z plus 1. We assume fx is equals to fz is equals to this and gz is equals to this. Now what we do, we have to take the mod of f of 1, so it is equals to mod of 7 and in the place of z we put 1 is equals to 7. Now we will find the mod g of 1. This is equals to mod of 2. In place of z we will put 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 4. No, it is become positive if mod occur here. So this is become positive and this is become 6, not 4. So we see f of z, mod f of z is greater than mod g of z. So by Cauchy's theorem we can say number of zeros of f of z is equals to number of zeros of f of z plus g of z. Here the number of zeros of f of z is 5. We see this number of zeros of f of z is 5. So the number of zeros of this polynomial is also 5. By Cauchy's theorem we can say this. So simply we have to assume, we have to find the polynomial from this polynomial only which satisfy this condition, and we have to find the, by Cauchy's result we can say this. So for this you have to know what is Cauchy's theorem. If you don't know, then you can comment down, I will explain in different video. So this is a question solution. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.